Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to link Facebook account to Instagram. So for this, let's open our Instagram app. Now click on your profile in the right bottom corner. Once you are here, now click on three lines on the top and locate for account center. Click on it. Here we have connected experiences. Click on view all, and here we have add accounts option. Click on add accounts. So there you will get add Facebook account option. Click on it. And as you click, you will be directed to Chrome, and here you need to add your login details of your Facebook account. Here, after the initial sign up, you need to click on continue with your Facebook account. And now here, to enable connected experiences, add these accounts to the same account center. Click on continue, and now click on yes, finish adding. Here it may take few seconds while adding, so you need to wait for a while. So now if we go back and again go to account center. So as you can see, the profiles are linked here, and in this way you can link Facebook with Instagram. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.